Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smartphones, comparing two heavyweights, the newly launched Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. It's a showdown of epic proportions, and we're here to break down all the details for you in a way that's informative, fun, design delights. Let's dive into the style revolution. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is stealing the spotlight, standing tall next to its companions, the standard S24 and S24 Plus. Brace yourselves for a design feast that's both sleek and sophisticated. Picture this. The glass has been expertly flattened, unveiling more of that stunning titanium frame. It's like Samsung gave its flagship a chic haircut, and the result is pure elegance. Oh, and the new color options? An absolute treat for your eyes. But wait, there's more. This beauty boasts an impressive IP68 rating, making it as resistant to water and dust as its older sibling, the mighty S23 Ultra. Buckle up for a design journey that's both refreshing and resilient. Titanium takeover. Samsung made a bold move, taking a cue from the iPhone 15 Pro Series playbook and transforming the S24 Ultra's build from aluminum to titanium. But what's the real scoop for you? Imagine a phone that's not only lighter but also sturdier, a true tech heavyweight. And here's the kicker. They've crammed in even more cool features. The slimmer bezels add a touch of elegance, and at just 232 grams, this powerhouse sits comfortably in your hand. It's like having a tech marble that won't burden your pocket or your style. Display drama. Now let's dive into the heart of the phone, the display, your portal to the digital world. Picture this, both the S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra boasting breathtaking 6.8-inch 1,440 panels. But hold on to your tech hats because the S24 Ultra is bringing some serious display game changers to the table. They've unveiled the Gorilla Glass armor, turning your phone into a resilient warrior, slashing annoying reflections by a jaw-dropping 75%. And the peak brightness? Get ready for it. At dazzling 2600 nits, it's like having your own pocket-sized sun lighting up your world. Oh, and here's the plot twist, no more curved drama. The flathead screen ensures no weird color distortions at the edges, offering a visual feast for your eyes and a flawless canvas for your Instagram adventures. Your eyes and your social media game are in for a treat. Cheers to a display that's as vibrant as your tech dreams. Camera clash. Let's talk about the real rock stars of the show, the cameras. The S23 Ultra set the stage with its jaw-dropping 200MP primary camera, and now the S24 Ultra steps into the spotlight. Hold on to your seats because it's claiming to bring even more to the table. An improved sensor, a snazzy 12MP ultra-wide with autofocus and macro support. It's like having a photography studio in your pocket. But wait, there's a twist in the tale, the periscope zoom. The S23 Ultra wowed us with its 10MP 10x lens, but the S24 Ultra is flipping the script. Brace yourselves for a 5x optical zoom and a mind-blowing 50MP resolution. Samsung swears it's an upgrade, but we're not taking their word for it. We're putting it to the ultimate test to see if it's the real deal. Get ready for a camera showdown like never before. Hi, awesomeness. Samsung didn't just add AI to the S24 Ultra, they sprinkled some real magic. Picture this, generative AI photo editing that brings your images to life and a video feature that hands you the director's chair, letting you control speed and generate new frames. It's not just a smartphone, it's your personal mini movie studio. We're on the edge of our seats to see this AI magic in action, turning everyday moments into cinematic masterpieces. Who knows? You might just unleash your inner Spielberg with the power of your smartphone. Power play. Now brace yourselves for a power-packed discussion. The S23 Ultra was already turning heads with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but guess what? The S24 Ultra takes it up a notch with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. What's in it for you? Picture a faster, more efficient smartphone experience that's like upgrading from a sleek sports car to a turbocharged rocket ship. And that's not all. Samsung tossed in a larger vapor chamber to keep things cool when the action heats up. Whether you're diving into intense gaming sessions, streaming your favorite shows, or simply scrolling through hilarious cat memes, the S24 Ultra promises to handle it all like an absolute champion. Buckle up for a tech thrill ride. Software story. Dive into the software saga. The S24 Ultra knows how to party with One UI 6.1, while the S23 Ultra is cruising with One UI 6. Both brewed to the Android 14 beat. But hold on tight because One UI 6.1 is the VIP guest, bringing serious upgrades to the table. Think widgets on the lock screen, camera app enhancements, and a spiced up always-on display. It's like giving your smartphone a glamorous software makeover. Who can resist the allure of a fresh tech look? Get ready to witness the software glow-up of the year. Extended support extravaganza. Get ready for the ultimate plot twist in our tech tale. The S23 Ultra wowed us with 4 Android upgrades, but here comes the S24 Ultra, raising the stakes with a confident, hold my drink. Brace yourself because it's on par with the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, promising an extraordinary 7 years of Android feature drops and security updates. Consider your VIP pass to the most exclusive software update party. You're in for the long haul, my friend. Let the tech journey unfold. Battery bonanza. Now let's dive into the heart of every smartphone lover, battery life. The S23 Ultra left us in awe with its mighty 5,000 mAh battery. Guess what? The S24 Ultra is here to crank up the excitement. Picture this: a brighter screen, a faster processor, and the same size battery. It's like trading in your marathon runner for an Olympic sprinter. Samsung claims you can enjoy up to 28 hours of internet usage, a marathon-worthy 30 hours of video playback, or a jaw-dropping 95 hours of audio playback. That's not just tech, it's a binge-watching and music-jamming extravaganza waiting to happen. Get ready for a battery life experience like never before. Asterisk, the verdict. S24 Ultra steals the show, asterisk. And there you go. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra claims victory in this epic showdown. It's not just an upgrade, it's a full-blown smartphone revolution. With design tweaks that catch the eye, camera innovations that redefine photography, AI features adding a touch of magic, powerhouse performance that leaves others in the dust, and extended software support to keep you on the cutting edge, the S24 Ultra stands tall as the ultimate choice for tech enthusiasts. Get ready to witness the next era of smartphone greatness, calling all smartphone shutterbugs, gaming champs, and tech trendsetters. The S24 Ultra is the must-have smartphone for you. Share your choice in the comments, give that like button some love, and hit subscribe for your regular dose of tech awesomeness. Until our next tech rendezvous, stay on the cutting edge with your S24 Ultra. Keep the tech vibe alive, and peace out.